Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Farah Sajid and I am here at my first mastermind meeting with Dory, and I am so happy that I made the choice to come down here and meet with Dory herself and a great team of masterminds. I've learned a lot of information that I will be using when I open up my own medical spa next month. I definitely will be continuing my participation with Dory and her other programs such as Leap Ahead, which I have attended as well. I'm looking forward to the book writing seminar this weekend, and after that I will be attending her Millionaire Circle. So for all of you out there who are wondering or thinking about joining Dory in any of her seminars, now would be the perfect time to make that decision. So don't delay. I'm glad I didn't, and I'm looking forward to implementing all the information that I've gathered here today from Dory herself and all the other masterminds that I have spoken with. So good luck to all of you out there, and I hope to see you soon.